You're standing in a showroom, staring at two sinks. One is a shiny stainless steel beauty, the other a matte black granite composite that looks like it belongs in a design magazine. The salesperson throws around terms like gauge, composite ratio, and premium finish, and you nod even though half of it sounds like marketing. You go with your gut, install the wrong one for your lifestyle, and within months you're annoyed by noise, stains, or scratches you didn't expect. This video exists to prevent that headache and to walk you calmly and clearly to the sink that actually fits how you cook and live. Look, feel, and style. Let's start with what you see every single day. Stainless steel sinks give you that clean, modern, almost professional kitchen vibe. They pair easily with appliances, taps, and hardware because that metallic tone is everywhere. If you want your sink to disappear into a neutral, minimal look, stainless does that well. It reflects light, which can make a smaller kitchen feel a bit more open and airy. Granite Composite goes in the opposite direction. These sinks are all about color and texture. The finish is typically matte or very soft sheen with a stone-like feel that looks more built-in than added on. Because you can get them in black, gray, white, beige, and other subtle tones, they can match or contrast your countertop in a deliberate way. If you like your sink to feel like part of the architecture rather than just hardware, Granite Composite usually wins the style battle. Cost and value. Stainless steel is almost always the budget-friendly option. You'll find them in a wide range of prices, but even good quality models tend to be cheaper than Granite Composite. That makes stainless very attractive if you're outfitting a rental, a secondary kitchen, or you're simply trying to stretch your renovation budget without buying junk. Granite Composite costs more, sometimes a lot more, depending on brand and design. You're paying for the engineered stone material, the color options, and the perception of a more premium product. The key question is whether that extra cost gives you real value in your situation. If a quieter, tougher, better-looking sink actually changes how much you enjoy your kitchen day to day, then the higher price can be worth it. If you're already pushing your overall budget, stainless might be the smarter, less stressful move. Durability, scratches, and dents. Good stainless steel is tough. It resists rust, doesn't crack, and holds up well to everyday abuse. However, it can dent if something very heavy drops into it, especially if the steel is thinner. Over time, you'll also see a constellation of light scratches. They're usually superficial, but they can make the surface look more used than pristine. Granite Composite flips that script. It's extremely hard and much more difficult to scratch in normal use. You can move pots and pans around without feeling like you're sanding the surface. It doesn't dent because there's no thin metal to deform. The only real risk is chipping or cracking if you drop something genuinely heavy with force, especially on an edge or corner. That's not common, but it can happen, and unlike stainless, a chip in a composite sink is not something you just polish out. Heat and stain resistance. You pull a screaming hot pan out of the oven and need to put it somewhere in a hurry. Stainless steel can handle heat quite well in general, but repeated exposure to extreme heat or thermal shock can dull the finish or cause discoloration over time. Most people never push it that far, but it's good to know where the limits are. Granite Composite sinks are engineered from stone particles and resin, which gives them excellent resistance to heat in normal kitchen use. Setting a hot pot down for a moment isn't a drama. On the stain front, stainless resists rust and deep staining, but it can show tea, coffee, and food residue as surface marks until you clean it. Granite Composite is non-porous and very stain-resistant. Dark colors, in particular, hide just about everything. If you hate seeing every mark, Composite has the advantage. Noise, daily use, and comfort. This is where a lot of people who pick stainless steel get surprised. Metal plus running water plus dishes equals noise. Some stainless sinks are insulated underneath to reduce that clangy sound, but many cheaper models still ring when you drop a pan or run a strong tap. You can absolutely live with it, but if you're sensitive to sound, it might get on your nerves. Granite Composite is naturally quieter. The material is dense and absorbs sound, so the whole experience of washing dishes feels more muted and solid. If your kitchen is open to a living space where people watch TV, work, or sleep nearby, this quietness isn't a small thing. It's one of the main reasons people who've lived with both materials often prefer composite once they've experienced it. Cleaning, spots, and maintenance. Sinks get dirty every day. Stainless steel is simple to clean. A soft cloth, some mild soap, maybe a bit of vinegar now and then, and you're done. The annoyance is not cleaning difficulty, it's appearance. Stainless shows water spots, fingerprints, and mineral deposits easily, especially if you have hard water. So the sink might be perfectly clean, but still looks spotted unless you wipe it dry more often than you'd like. Granite Composite is also easy to clean with mild detergent and a soft sponge. Because it's non-porous, it doesn't hold on to stains the way natural stone can. The big plus, it hides water spots and smudges much better, especially in darker colors. The trade-off is that you should avoid harsh chemicals and abrasive cleaners that can damage or discolor the surface over time. If you're disciplined and don't reach for bleach or scouring powder every time, maintaining a composite sink is straightforward. Weight, installation, and practicalities. Think about what happens below the countertop. Stainless steel is light, which makes it easier to carry, position, and install. It doesn't usually require special cabinet reinforcement, and most installers are very familiar with working with it. If you're doing a more DIY-friendly project, stainless is forgiving. Granite Composite is heavy. That weight feels great in daily use because the sink feels solid and substantial, but someone has to get it into place and support it correctly. In some cases, the cabinet or countertop may need a bit of extra structure. It's not a huge problem, but it does mean installation is less casual. For many people, this simply translates to, "I'm definitely hiring a pro for this." Hygiene and everyday food prep. Both materials perform well for hygiene, but they do it in slightly different ways. Stainless steel is smooth, non-porous, and commonly used in commercial kitchens precisely because it's easy to sanitize. You can wipe it down quickly, and it doesn't trap bacteria when cleaned properly. Granite Composite, when properly manufactured, is also non-porous and resists bacteria, odors, and staining. The matte texture doesn't mean it's more dirty, it just feels different to the touch. For a typical home kitchen, both are absolutely fine from a hygiene standpoint. The decision here is less about food safety and more about what kind of surface you enjoy working in and cleaning every day. Which one fits you better? This isn't about which material is objectively best. It's about match. If you want something affordable, light, familiar, easy to install, and you don't mind the occasional scratch or water spot, stainless steel is probably your answer. It's a workhorse. It looks good enough in almost any style of kitchen, and it's very forgiving during a renovation. If you care more about a quiet sink, a premium matte look that blends with stone or solid countertops, and a surface that shrugs off most scratches and stains, Granite Composite becomes very attractive. You pay more, you accept the extra weight and slightly fussier installation, but you end up with something that feels more like part of the furniture than a piece of equipment.